Hello everyone. I want to show you how to scan documents to computer with a USB cable. This is a USB cable. So put the cable, this part of the cable, and the other part, this is the USB cable. This part need to be on this part of the printer, and it's in. Then if you want to scan document to computer, go to the laptop settings, go to the settings, then go to printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device, look for Epson Expression Home XP 4200 series. It will show you idle. You can scan document from this as well. You can print a test page. But what I want to show you is how to scan to computer. Go to the control panel, use right arrow button, select scan, select OK. Then we show you scan to computer, cloud or WSD. Select scan to computer, select OK. Then it will show you install the software. This software, Epson Scan 2, is installed. When we connected this printer, the full setup guide, if you go to this website, then you need to install this printer and also select Epson Scan Smart software on your PC. Allow it and install it on your PC. So we're going to dismiss it. Then select connection method, USB cable connection, and also preview on computer. Select save as PDF. Then select connection method, USB. Then USB cable connection. Then select this button to start. USB connection. And also if you look on the computer, the document is scanning. And this is the document. If you want to see the document, double click to open. This is the document. And this is the original one. We scanned. So this is how to scan to computer. Another method I want to show you to scan documents, we're going to use Epson Scan 2. With Epson Scan 2, you can scan multiple page documents. So go to your search bar and search Epson Scan 2. So open Epson Scan 2. Then it will show you the printer, Epson XP 4200 USB, file tab and mode document. Then select scan, scanner glass, the paper as A4. We want to scan it in color. And also we want to add or edit page after scanning. To add second page, then you select scan. So the document is scanning. This document we are scanning to a USB cable connection. This is Epson Scan 2. If you want to scan a second page, open the glass scanner, then put the document you want to scan face down, close the cover. Then select Add to scan the next page. The next thing to do is you need to save the file. Select Save to save the document. This document is now saved to the PC. If you want to see this document, then go to File Explorer, then go to Documents, then type the date the document was scanned, So type the date, then you check the time, and this is the document. Double click on it to open. This is the file. This is the document we scanned and saved the computer. If you want to print it out, select Ctrl P. Go on the left side and select correct printer. It will show you Epson XP 4200 series ready. Select on it. I want us to print this double-sided. So scroll down to select print on both sides, long edge, more setting, the paper as A4 and actual size 100%, 1 page per sheet, then select print. So we're going to print this double-sided, and connection method is a USB cable connection. Printing complete. This is the document we scanned and printed it out double-sided. There are other methods. You can also use Windows, depending on the one you want to use. If you want to use Windows, then you go to Start, go to Settings, Computer Settings, then go to Printers and Scanners, then select on the printer. Then you select Scanner Settings. A blue line will highlight on the scanner setting. Then you select Open Scanner. This is Windows Scanner. Then you put the document you want to scan, then select Scan. Thank you very much indeed.